Hello everyone, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G06 Power, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select System, and here click on Backup. And click on Turn On to activate your backup. If you are logged in with your account, it will be smooth like this, so just mark data that you wish to backup and click on Confirm. But if you are not logged in yet, you will have to provide email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account, along with the password, and then just mark those to confirm. And that's it, the backup is active. So your data is automatically backup to your Google account when the device is idle. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.